This video will guide you through the installation of your new Simplyput pull-out wood drawer with soft close. For this project, you'll need a drill and a tape measure. First, make sure all the parts you need are included in the package. Make sure your wood drawer will fit by measuring the width of the cabinet opening. The width must be equal to or less than the minimum cabinet opening number shown on the Simplyput box. With a pencil, make a mark 1 3/8 of an inch from the front edge of the cabinet. Place the wood drawer assembly on the cabinet floor with the front mounting strap directly behind your pencil mark. Align the assembly parallel with the cabinet opening. Slide the wood drawer slightly forward and mark the cabinet floor through the 2 mounting holes of the rear mounting strap. Remove the wood drawer assembly. Using a 1/16 inch drill bit, drill 2 pilot holes through the marks you just made. Place the assembly on the cabinet floor and attach the rear mounting strap using your pilot holes and the 2 mounting screws. Slide the drawer completely out of the cabinet. Using the drill, fasten the front mounting strap to the cabinet using the 2 remaining mounting screws. Push the drawer back into the cabinet, slide and close.